Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So before we get into the video, I really want to know if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe it. And after seeing my video, please do give a big thumbs up. So recently I went to the nearby mall for a mall with my baby, and we did a very small shopping. And yesterday I went to a nearby shopping area which is called as Pondi Bazaar, just to get some things related to home decor or home organization. So because I have been habitual after my marriage, for every new year I want to keep my household clean, or what I do is I collect various things or home decor or home organization things which will help in making my house look more good and clean. So today I'm going to show what are the things I have got this time for 2017. So let's get in. So first of all, I'll show you the things which I have got from Pondi Bazaar. So I have these, I think you can see those pillows on my bag. They are kind of divan set. So I don't like to buy a proper divan set. Rather than that, what I do is I'll just mix them up with different colors. So I have got those pillows which are called as booster pillows. Booster. I don't know whether I'm pronouncing it properly. So I've got the covers for them. These are kind of ethnic Jaipuri kind of print. Okay, I've got one more pair like this, and I felt that this will look good with every bedsheet which I have. So these two pairs I have got for 350 rupees. I don't know whether they are more or less because I didn't get them anywhere of this good quality. So do I have done a little bit of bargaining. He was talking for him. He was asking for 500 rupees and I just ended up in getting by 350. So that was for the boosters. And from other shop I got these square pillow covers, cushion covers. If you can see there, I have kept some pillows over there and also in my bedroom. So I have got these two. These are again a kind of Jaipuri print. I love Jaipuri print, and they have kind of detailing on the sides like so. They doesn't have a zip. I felt that is more good because often the zip comes out. So these are actually for 50 rupees. I got one for 50 rupees. So I got four, like two for this, two in this print and two in this print. I just love them. Okay, the color is so good. So they came around 200 rupees. Yes, four. So that's it. So that was from the bazaar, and this is a fridge cover. I already have one, so I wanted to replace it with a new one. But the fridge cover, it has side pockets if you want to keep something, any random things. And also it has a kind of cushiony thing inside this lining. So because sometimes it gets eaten up, I feel that will be good. So I got this. In the bag it is like so, and the front it is like this. So this was for 200 rupees and I got it for 150. So yeah, that is again from Pondi Bazaar. So those were the things which I got from Pondi Bazaar, and as well as I got one doll set for Michi which she has already taken. So I'm sorry I cannot show you. Yes. After that, as I told you all, that I'm a big fan of Sundar Metal. It's a shop in T Nagar, Chennai, where you will get all the home organization things. Can be very small things, but they are very good and of good quality. I got these steel hooks. They are 3 in the numbers and they are for 30 rupees. And I'm going to use this for my kitchen cupboard. I mean, inside the kitchen cupboard, I'll be using them. And I'm going to hang my towels which I use for my kitchen. Or can be a bag in which I keep all the plastic covers which we use for garbage purpose and everything. So I'm going to use that for this. Yeah, so that was from Sundar Metal Tea Nagar. And then I got this little cute floral kind of plate. It is not made of jute but kind of plastic or something. And this is actually, I felt it is so costly, but actually I wanted to get this. I'm going to keep this on my baby's toy rack, where just for the home decor purpose, because my husband is in habit to keep his key or wallet the moment he comes out of, the moment he comes to home, he just take out all the things out of his pocket and keeps it here and there. So I thought, okay, if I keep this, let him keep everything on this whenever he comes, so he no need of searching for the things. So this was the other thing which I got from Sundar Metal, which is for 69 rupees. They have many size you can very well get for keeping your fruits and everything, or can be your beauty things or something like that, accessories which you use daily basis. Okay, so right, so that was again from Sundar Metal. And this is a random cloth clips which we use for drying our clothes. Again, it is for 65 rupees and 24 packs, 24 clips it has. So that was there. And then I got this Anjali 4-in-1 scraper and slicer. I don't have a proper one, so I got this one. I've heard that this is actually very good for making potato chips at home. My sister-in-law suggested me to get this, and yes, this is actually good. So yeah, that was from Tea Nagar. And if you would have seen that I'm sorry, I forgot to show you one more thing. I just love home decor like anything. So I got these hanging things. You would have noticed it at many places. These I got for 100 rupees again from Tea Nagar. So actually I already have this, but in kind of garage in this place. So I got this for my sister-in-law, but I'm not going to give this to her because I love them. So I'm going to keep it with me. So yeah, I got this one again for 100 rupees. It was 100 rupees for a pair. Okay. And then this random plastic box for my husband's office tools, something he wanted to keep in this, so I got them, which is actually so costly. It is actually 78 rupees. Can you imagine this plastic dabba just for 78? Recently we would have seen that me and Mishi went to Forum Mall. As I told you in my beginning of my video, that this haul is going to be all about the shopping which we did in Forum Mall as well as Tea Nagar. So let me show you the things which I got from Forum Mall when me and Mishi went there. So this is a kind of blanket which we got for 150 rupees. I just got it randomly because Mishi don't use any kind of bed sheet on her. I feel she should have. She already have so many blankets, but now she has grown up and those blankets became so small for her. So we have got this one. I suggest that if you're going to Spar, or I've got this from Spar, I suggest you that if you're going to Spar and if you want to get these blankets, instead of these, there is one more which is actually for 300 rupees. They are more softer than this, and they have kind of satin lining on the borders, so you can get that. But if you feel that no, kids are going to grow and why do we invest again and again, so if you feel like that, you can very well get these one. They are quite lengthy and they're quite soft too, and the colors are also good. They are not so like funky or something like that. I literally like them. So that was the blanket, which is for 150 rupees. And as usual, whenever I go to Spar, I always get these kind of boxes. They are the dupe for a Tupperware. Again, got it for 99 rupees. 4 boxes. So I can use it for anything, but I don't use for keeping my foot kind of things because they are not a good quality plastic. So any dry thing or it can be, as I told you, with chilies or ginger, lemon or something like that. I can keep it at this. So that was another thing. Then I got these gulab jamun mix. I didn't get actually. Mishi took it and she wanted me to prepare it for New Year. So she said like, Amma, I want gulab jamun. Why don't you prepare it? So I got it. Actually, we are reluctant to buy because the moment we came to know that it has maida, so we stopped preparing it at home. We actually thought, okay, why to make sweets with maida? But then she was like, keep on telling it, so we thought to get it. And then I got this steel, what is it, a kind of stand or a holder. I've got it for keeping my knife and my scissors for my kitchen. So they're more good comparing to the plastic one which I have. So that is the reason I got this. So that was there. And again, the last one is a milk pan. I already have one, but you know, ladies are ladies. So I got one more. This is for I think 140, 139 rupees. But actually it's worth it, okay? Because I have not even opened it. It stays stable and the quality is also very good. So I feel it is good, worthable. The bottom is also, I mean, very thick. And the handle is also very sturdy. So I hope that this is going to be a good deal, not bad. Okay. At one time you can keep half a liter of milk in this. That was around 139 rupees. So not a bad idea if you want to buy this. And yes guys, I got even this container which is made up of glass, especially for keeping the pickle, because pickle should be kept only in kind of glass material so that it won't get reacted, and it has a steel lid. So yeah, so that was again from Spar and for 109 rupees. So I don't think that it is so costly. I just love them. So yes, that's it. Hope you all liked it. That's it. So that was a kind of small home decor or home organization haul which I did for this new year. Actually, I'm so busy. That is the reason I'm not able to upload the videos frequently. One of the main reason is like some interviews in my pipeline, and because I need to clean my house because the new year is gonna come and I need to arrange the house in a good way. Though my helping person is there, she comes, and when she comes I will just clean up the house, and at the other time I just edit whatever videos are there, and that's it. So I'm sorry if I'm not able to upload the videos at frequently, but then I hope that you're gonna like this. And if you really want to see some more haul video like this, then please do comment below down, and hope you all enjoyed it. See you all next time. Bye.